Hello, my beautiful people. We are back with another hair video. Okay, what do we have here? Well, this is two of my new friends. Okay, two of my latest friends. One is amber. You see, this is a mixed color, and then the other one is just black. All right. I have my previous video that you guys saw. I have one of my friends on, and I figure, hey, I'm going to show you guys everything. Okay, stay till the very end. Stay till the very end because I actually show you guys the website where I got it from. All right, this one is the amber color one. We will take care of that later. Okay, we'll do this one later, but for today, I'm going to show you the other one. So let me know what you think about this color because this color came out to be a little bit redder than I would like. Okay, it's more on the red side, but I'll see. I haven't put it on yet, but we'll see how it looks on me. But this one is the one, like I said, this is the one that I have on my, on my previous video. That's what I wore, and I'm going to show you guys everything. Okay, so this is the hair fresh from the package. And then this is the hair, I'm just kind of just testing it out, just touching it. I like to take my hair out to wash it before I put it on my head. And I'm going to show you guys how I wash the hair. Okay, so this is going to be a very nice, informative video for y'all. Okay, so make sure y'all, just relax and enjoy the video. Give me a thumbs up and share it. Okay, so yes. Say hello, say hello to my friend. Okay, so I'm just kind of, just wanted to show you guys the hair before I put it on my head, how it looks like. It's 14 inches, okay? It's 14 inches, and it's the Kinky straight hair. And this is the hair wet, okay? This is the hair wet, how it looks like. It's very nice. It's very manageable. I really enjoy it. So I usually like to put my hair out in the sun to dry. I know. My neighbors are used to it by now, okay? Whatever, it is what it is. So yeah, so this is the hair before I, cut the front lace. I just finished washing it with the conditioner, not shampoo. I think I mentioned that in my previous videos. I do not use shampoo. I just use conditioner to wash my wigs, okay? Um yes, so this is what I use. Boom. Okay, so here you go. So this is the hair now, okay? After it's dried, it's on my head. It looks a little bit, puffy, but that's because I have not flat ironed it or curled it, okay? So stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how it looks like after I flat iron or curled it. One thing that I love about this hair is that it's so lightweight, okay? It's so lightweight. It just feels so good, so natural. I love it. Okay, this is like one of my favorite to go hair now. I just love the kinky hair, y'all. See, it looks natural. Like this is exactly how my own hair. This is the texture of our hair when it's wet. Okay, I just love it. So yeah, so I'm just kind of feeling the hair, and then here I go, with trying to put it on. Now the way I cut the hair, as you saw, I just cut the front lace. I leave two little pieces on the side, okay, like longer pieces, just so that I can have something to pull down. Okay, I just like to leave two pieces on the side. And this here, the lace, it's 5 by 5. It does not go all the way around. Okay, it's 5 by 5. It doesn't go all the way around. So I just like to have a little piece to kind of pull down when I am gluing the hair. All right. She's having fun. She's having fun. Yeah. So, and then here I go. I'm just gonna cut some hair, just gonna shed it lightly to get some baby hair. Ta-da! Hi guys. Okay, so this is the hair. Okay, this is the hair that you guys got a chance to see from the very beginning, okay, till now. This is how it looks like. And if you would like to get yourself one, I have the link. Okay, the link, I'm going to put the link on the description, okay, in the description bar. So just click on the link. All right, put in your email and I will send you the link of how to get this hair. Okay, I will share all that I have, all the information that I have, okay, for you to get this hair yourself. So it's super light. Let me tell you guys all about it, okay, what I like about it. Okay, it's super light. Let me turn around so you could see it. Okay, see? And this is a 14 inches. Okay, this is 14 inches, I believe. Yes, is it 12 or 14? I believe it's 14. But I'm going to double check, and I'm going to put the description, you know, all that stuff for you guys. Look at it, the details. Okay, what else? What I really love about this wig also, and just like my other Kinky wig, okay, so this is a Kinky wig, but this one is called Kinky Straight. Okay, it's called Kinky Straight. And so you see, it takes minimal effort to make it straight. I just used my curling iron, okay, and that was basically it. And not only that, guys, so the lace goes halfway. It just goes halfway, which I love because I like to be able to wear my sunglasses, okay, or my mask without it being a problem. And look, this is the the wig cap, okay, but no one gotta see that. Nobody gotta see it. And it's very light, okay. Oh my goodness, it feels so light. It feels just like it grew from my scalp, okay. It looks really natural. Ladies, I'm telling you, okay, I just love a natural wig, okay. I just love natural wigs. All right, let me show you the scalp, okay. You could part it whichever way you want, okay. And stay tuned, I'm gonna make a video showing you how to get the perfect part. All right, and like I've said before, I am not a hairstylist, okay. I'm not a hairstylist. I am a woman who loves wigs, okay. And I believe wigs love me back because I look really good, you know, in wigs. And what I've done over the years, I just watch a lot of videos on how to do wigs, okay. I don't go to the studio. I've never, actually, I take that back. I've gone to the studio one time to install my wig, and I was not really that happy about it, okay. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna be buying a wig for $200-300 and then go to the studio to pay another $200 to get it installed. Why, when I could just learn how to do it myself? So all of my wigs you see me with, I do it myself. So follow me, subscribe, follow me. If you are not a hairstylist, if you want to learn how to make your wigs looks good, you know, from a regular person who's not an expert, okay. I don't do hair for a living. You all know I am a hospice registered nurse, but I just know that wigs love me and I love wigs, okay. So this is how the hair looks like, y'all. Let me show you the back again. So see, this is your cap, and it comes with this piece right here, okay. This is the elastic part, okay. It's very firm, okay. It's very tightly secured. All right, you can shake your hair, do whatever you want, but this hair, it's really good, okay. I'm going to put the link. Just click on the link if you would like to have this hair, okay. It comes in different length. This is a shorter piece, okay. I think this is like 14 inches, but of course they have like 22s, but I just wanted something that looks, you know, that's easy, okay. That's like an everyday kind of wig. So in light, okay. So yeah, this is it. I also got the other one, you know, I got the amber colored one, okay. And I'm gonna make another video about the amber colored one too for y'all. I probably should have worn this shirt with the amber colored one because it's like similar to that color. But let me know what y'all think, okay. Let me know what y'all think. Let's see. Yeah, so that's just what I wanted to do, okay. So you all saw the process from beginning till the end, and sign up to be part of my mailing list, and I will send you the link of where to go to get this wig. Okay, and of course I'm going to kind of maybe I might do another video of showing you guys more about it. We'll see. Stay tuned. Love you. Or maybe I might just add it on right now. Just watch the video. I'm not sure how I'm going to, when I edit it, y'all know. Okay, y'all know how I choose to do it. Okay, stay tuned. I love you as always with the love of Jesus Christ. Okay, with the love of Jesus Christ. I love you. See you on the next video. Duns beautiful people. Okay, my beautiful people, would you like the link? If you want the link, okay, if you want the straight link, click on the description. Okay, click on the description bar and I'm going to just put in your email address, and I'm going to forward you. You will receive the exact link. Okay, the exact offer for this hair. But there it is. Okay, it's the Kinky straight hair. These are the two wigs that I bought. Okay, so you're looking at the two wigs that I bought. Okay, the first one is the black one that I have on, and then the other one is the amber color one. We are gonna make a video about that. Stay tuned. Okay, subscribe, hit the notification button. Okay, so you could know when I upload a video. So yes, so as you can see, there are different lengths. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys right here. You could get 12 inches, 10 inches, all the way down to 24 inches, 26 inches. Okay, but I got the 14 inches, and to me, I felt like that was long enough, okay, for me. But you can see, and also there's different cap sizes. Okay, if you have a small head, a medium head, or a larger head, I got the medium one. Okay, so there's different cap sizes. That's what I like about this company. They really, try to cater to you as an individual. Okay, so I define wig. I define, send me my check. Make me a model for y'all. Okay, so yes, so it is and over here there's a description of the wig. Okay, I'm showing you a description of the lace, the kind of hair, the length, the knots. It's just really good. And this one right here, like I said, this is my other wig that I got. Okay, because I like color, y'all. If you guys been following me for a while, you know that I like color in my hair, and this is the safest way to color your hair is by putting on a wig. Okay, so I'll wear a wig that has colors for like a week, and then my urge to dye my hair goes away. So this is a pretty color, but we'll see how it looks on you. Okay, stay tuned. Subscribe, my beautiful people, for more wig videos. Okay, let me know your thoughts, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go get yourself one. Comment, let me know if you got yourself one. Love you.